All right, so this is how my chicken liver is looking after being washed in vinegar. So to that, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my seasonings, powder seasoning. So here I have some honey and powder. I'm gonna go ahead and just put some on there. Yeah guys, I won't be measuring any seasons going forward. Just go ahead and put a generous amount, that when you combine everything together, every bit of meat will be coated with seasoning evenly. Up next, I'm gonna add some powder seasoning. Not powder seasoning, garlic powder. Garlic powder. Okay. Garlic powder. Up next, I'm going to add some black pepper. Then I'm gonna add some whole base seasoning. You can just use your favorite seasoning, guys, your favorite powder seasoning. You don't have to use these to get the taste that I'm going for. But yeah, just use your favorite. We're gonna use Mrs. Dash. Oh, they stopped calling it Mrs. Dash, it's just Dash. Okay, table blend. I'm gonna go ahead and add some. Alright. And next I have some browning. I'm gonna go ahead and add some to give it some color, not too much. Next, I'm going to add my herb seasoning. This is the green season blend, guys. I have a tutorial on this recipe down below. Just check it out. I always have this in my fridge to use on my meat or whatever I'm cooking. With that, I'm going to add 2 scoops of this. I have ginger, garlic, scallion, thyme, all kind of seasons in here. Everything. All right.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go.
Let's go over to the stove. To my pot here, I added some cooking oil. And my pot is getting hot. Sometimes you don't have to wait for your pot to be too hot. It's not chicken you're frying. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add this. Then I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything together, and in 3 minutes I'm gonna go ahead and lower my heat. Combined everything together, I'm gonna go ahead and lower my heat to 4. One of the secrets to cooking the best liver, you never want to add water to your liver. So that's why you lower your heat so it slowly release its own liquid. All right, but I always had soy sauce to mine. That's why you didn't see me had any salt. So I'm gonna add some soy sauce and just let it cook, because I don't want to put it at the end to taste the soy sauce too much. I want everything to slowly cook and combine together. I know you guys noticed that I haven't added any. Oh, hold on, this does not look good. All those things. Okay. All right. So I know you guys noticed that I didn't add any hot pepper. to my pot. That's where my sriracha comes in. All right, so I'm gonna put some sriracha in here, and that gives the liver an awesome flavor as well. It's not too hot, but I like I just like sriracha. Whoever came up with this idea, genius. So I'm gonna go ahead and combine everything together, and then I'm going to cover the pot and just let it cook. And in the meantime, I'm gonna clean my sink down, and then I will prep the other stuff and I will show you what I'm up to. All right, this is how my chicken liver is looking after 10 minutes. Yeah, all that liquid, the only liquid I had to this was the soy sauce, and the rest is from the liver. That's why there's no need for you to add water to liver. And I noticed if you had water to liver, when you share the gravy, the water is like gonna separate from the gravy, and it's gonna be obvious that you had water to it. So do not add any water to your liver. All right, I'm just gonna let that cook. So here I have chayote squash. In America, that's what they call it. Where I'm from in Jamaica, we call it Chow Chow. Don't ask me why. But yeah, so I pick it up at Walmart. First, I'm gonna go ahead and peel these. I like to add them to my liver. It gives my liver that body with the gravy, and I don't know, it's just good. Just like you would put carrot into your stews or your curry. I really enjoy chow chow in my liver. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use about 1.5 in mine.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Right, so I had some water to this. All right, chicken liver is looking good. I have some ketchup for it to slowly cook in the liver. Go ahead and stir everything up. All right. Sauteing while I'm doing this. And I pour the water off the chow chow. I pour the water off, so I'm just waiting for these to get a bit sauteed. Then I will add this to that. Okay. All right, so this is how it's looking. I'm gonna go ahead and add the coyote to that. And if you don't have this, you can use carrots. But I'm gonna go ahead and add a bit of salt, just a bit, not much. Okay, black pepper to that. Okay. And then combine everything together. Okay. Go ahead and combine my saute. Seasoned in here. Then I'm gonna combine everything together and just put it on low and just let them exchange energies and flavors together. All right, so here I have 2 cups of rice. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this. You're gonna wash your rice until the water becomes clear. My salt, not too much, all right? Then somehow I prefer cooking oil in my rice than butter. I need to add some coconut milk powder. I don't always had it, but I love the flavor it gives my white rice, so I like using it. But once it comes to a boil, I'm gonna go ahead and lower my heat. Then my rice is gonna steam slowly. So here it is, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. Wow. Wow. That tastes really good. Wow. That tastes really good. The flavor of the liver. It's really good. Can't stop. Guys, I need to go and eat. I'm gonna put this camera right. I'm gonna put this camera down right now. And I'm gonna eat all of this. That is really good. But wow. Amazing. And that is how I make chicken liver. So freaking good. So good. Alright, guys. Catch you later. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. I wish I could share this with some of you that loves liver. So good.